Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera macro control on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down, and in here, tap on Camera. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on macro control. So tap on the macro control toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When this is turned on, it will show camera control for automatically switching to the ultra wide camera to capture macro photos and videos. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.